So at this amusement park ride, we're looking at the physics behind bumper cars. So you have bumper cars here. We're going to collide them and see what occurs in terms of the force we're giving it, what happens to where it moves, and the mass of the car. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have 4 of the weighted balls. You have an orange and a blue car, and you're going to have some clay. So you're going to take this clay and put it at the end of the orange car, right on this pointy nose piece, and that'll help to keep the collisions from being too bad. So now that I've attached that clay to the end, we're going to also note that the pointy ends are always going to be facing each other during these collisions. And again, we want to collide them, not throw them off the track. So you don't want to slam them together so much that everything goes flying and everything ends up off the track. You're going to hit them together, but not slam them together. So the first thing is you're going to take 3 of the weighted balls and put 3 of them in the orange car, which leaves 0 in the blue car. So 3 in the orange car and 0 in the blue car. You're then going to move each car to an end of the track. You're going to move each car to the end of the track. And as best you can, push them at each other at the same speed. So you can try to do this with one person touching both cars so that it's as even as possible. So again, you're going to try probably have the same person crash them both at the same speed together. Now you're going to see which way overall do the cars move. Do they move right or do they move left? So after you've collided the orange car with the 3 masses and the blue car with no mass, then you're going to even it out. You're going to put 2 into the orange car, and then you're going to put 2 into the blue car. So now masses for blue and orange are even. Again, you're going to move them to the end of the track. You're going to have the same person and have them at the same speed collide into each other. Again, you'll notice, do they move? Does one go backwards and one go forwards? Do they move to the right or to the left? Now the next one, our third collision, you're going to take the same. You have 2 masses in the blue car, 2 masses in the orange car. But this time, instead of them both moving, the blue car is going to remain stationary in the middle of the track. So this time around, the orange car is not going, or the blue car is going to remain stationary in the middle of the track. I'm going to take my orange car at one end and going as fast as I can without being crazy. I'm going to push it as fast as I can towards the blue car and observe where do they go. Your fourth type of collision is going to be where you put, again, 2 masses in the blue car, 2 masses in the orange car. The blue car is going to be stationary, but this time instead of going really fast, the orange car is going to go really slow. So you're not going to put much speed on it. So you're going to go pretty slow and crash it into the stationary blue car in the center and observe what happens. In collision 5, your last one, you're going to take 3 masses and place it into the orange car, and you're going to have 1 mass and place it into the blue car. I stick it in the middle. Then you're going to place the blue car and the orange at the opposite ends of the track. You're going to push the blue car slowly and the orange car fast at each other. So blue slow, orange fast. And again, observe what occurs. Which way are they moving, or is it going fast and slow?